Now, just because you buy a flocked... This isn't flocked.
Hey guys, my name is Jay, and you know, I guess you could kind of say that I love Christmas. Well, this year, let's start early. I want to welcome you to Jay's Holiday Wonderland, Christmas in July.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today we're going to get started on the second tree that I have for you for Christmas in July. Now this is my green tree, and recently, this past Christmas season, you've seen it done in the traditional red and green color scheme. Today, I'm going to turn it into what I like to call Owl Be Home for Christmas. Let's get started. So in each one of these videos, I'm going to cover a topic that I think is very important when it comes to putting your Christmas tree together. Today's topic is going to be specialty lights. Now, just because you buy a pre-lit tree, that doesn't mean that, that's a restriction. You cannot put extra lights on this tree. You've seen in my past Christmas trees, when I use my flock tree, I add twinkle lights to the center. Now, I stress a point where I put the lights on when the tree is not fluffed, and as you can see behind me, this tree is already fluffed and it's ready to go. I wasn't going to use twinkle lights for this, but I think it's just going to give it that little bit of extra sparkle that these Christmas themes need. So today, I'm going to execute to you why it is important to do the twinkle lights while the tree is not fluffed. So for twinkle lights today, I'm going to be using this strand of Christmas lights that I got, I don't know where these came from. I think China would even be ashamed to produce something this cheap. So these are just LED twinkle lights, and I always get them on transparent cords, and I think that works with both kinds of trees. Now what I do with the twinkle lights is I always run them through the center of the tree, but this is not as long of a strand as I usually use, so I'm gonna link below the exact type of twinkle lights that I use if you guys are interested in picking those up. Alright, so I'm gonna take this end of the light string, and I'm not gonna start right here at the top because I am gonna do a tree topper. So I like to keep these towards the middle. I just run these through from layer to layer. This is usually done while the tree is not fluffed. Okay, so I got those lights done. Now I would consider twinkle lights to be sort of like a base to a Christmas tree. Now I'm gonna add the fancy lights. I don't even know where you can get these anymore. I got these seriously when I did my blue and green Christmas tree. Alright, well these don't work, I guess. Okay, so that was interesting. Those are my favorite Christmas lights that I've ever bought, so I'll have to work on those later. Now I have plan B. I wasn't going to use these yet, but I will use them for this Christmas tree. These are specialty lights at their finest, and I'll tell you why. So, these are the little flicker light candles, and I actually bought these. Spoiler alert, I'm going to be using these this coming Christmas on my main Christmas tree. Now these lights are so cool. Look at these. You just kind of hook them onto a branch here, and they actually flicker like a real candle. I don't know how I'm gonna like these, but we're gonna try it out on this tree. Alright, so I just got the candle lights done, and boy was that an interesting experience. So the thing is after you take out a small mortgage to get these, you have to put the candles in the right spots that you'd like to see them at, and then you also have to have the cord, so it is a 3-step process. But I do love how they look. They are really beautiful. So now I'm going to start on the tree topper. Okay, so I got the tree topper done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and add these, my owls, to the bigger spaces in this tree. And why I want to put them on now is because I want to make sure that they are exactly where I want them, and I want to make sure that I have room for them. Now I'm gonna add some bling to this tree. I have this beautiful garland that I used on my blue Christmas tree. This is from Canterbury Gardens. Now this is the smaller size. It's also available in a larger size. And what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna take this and just kind of swoop it through here. So I just got the garland done. I really love how this looks. I love to do them in opposite directions because it actually makes it feel like there is more than there actually is. So at this point, you're probably wondering, Jay, when are we gonna get to ornaments? Well, we're gonna get there right now. So you might notice these red ribbons. These are actually marking where my spinners are, but I can see that I have left spaces for spinning ornaments. So I'm actually gonna go through and take those all off. So let me show you the ornaments that I picked for this Christmas tree. So this is the pile of Christmas decor that I've chose for this tree. I have, of course, clear ornaments, and I picked out some gold. I'm probably gonna try to use the lighter shades of gold as silver, and then I have white. And there's even some coppers in there. Don't think I'm gonna use those. Now in this bin down here, I do have pine cones, so I'll be adding those as well. Now let me show you, with all of this stuff that I have here, this is all that I bought. I only bought this little pile of stuff. Okay, so now that I got the tree pretty much full, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through with some of these branches and see this spot right here where there really isn't anything. I'm going to take something like this, and I'm actually going to fill in the space. Then of course, after I get these in here, I'm going to adjust them and kind of mix them so they don't look like they're just sitting on top of the branch. So after I get that done, I'm going to go through and add all my spinning ornaments. Now how I animate my ornaments is I have this little motor that's in the tree, and all you have to do is just hook a Christmas ornament right onto it. And there you go. All right, I'm all done decorating. Now why don't I take you on a little tour of Owl Be Home for Christmas. So, what did you guys think? You know, this tree has a lot of my favorite things on it. It has my favorite diamond garland on it. It also has my favorite clear ornaments with the little diamond ornament toppers. I love the candle lights that are on this tree. I just think that makes it look really, really homey. And the owls, of course, I love those. That just brings the woodsiness in, I think. All in all, this tree is a very neutral Christmas tree, and I think as far as that's concerned, it could go in a lot of decorating styles, so it could actually be adapted to a lot of people's homes. So I'd love to hear what you guys think down below in the comments. Now remember, this is the second tree of 5 that I'm going to be bringing to you this month for Jay's Holiday Wonderland Christmas in July. So don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss any of those. Each video is going to be filled with inspiration as well as some helpful tips along the way on how you can decorate the most beautiful Christmas tree you've ever done in your life. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video where we'll be working on the white Christmas tree. Can't wait to show you what I have planned for that. So, until next time, it's not too soon to say Merry Christmas.